Hello everyone and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. In today's session, we will work on MySQL series. As you know, we already have covered a few sessions on MySQL. Today we will learn about auto increment in MySQL. For example, you want to create a table with name customer and it should have 5 columns: ID, name, age, address and salary. And the ID is nothing but the record number of that record. For example, 1 for first record, 2 for second record, 3 for third record, 4 for fourth record, 5 for fifth record. Similarly, 6 for sixth record. Then you need not to insert the values of ID manually or through applications every time. You can make it auto increment within the database itself. All you have to do is you have to just add the rest of the columns for that record, the values of the rest of the columns of that record, and the ID should automatically get created. For that, MySQL or any database have a constraint or attribute or feature called auto increment. Now let us see how can we create a table with auto increment. Here is the table DDL. So we are creating customers table with 5 records: ID, name, age, address, and salary. And as you can see, for ID, I have given a parameter called auto increment, which will make the column as auto increment. Let's copy this DDL and go to MySQL Workbench. And as you know, we have a schema called first schema. We will create a table inside the first schema. As you know, first schema is the default schema, so I am not giving the name of the schema here. Otherwise, we have to give the schema name as well. So now I have the name of the table and ID. ID has data type as integer and it has a constraint auto increment. Then name, I have not given just name because name is a keyword in MySQL. So rather I gave C underscore name or customer name. Then age, then address, and then salary. Now let me try to execute this DDL. As you can see, the table got created. Now let me try to refresh this. As you can see, the customers table got created. So if I select the records, there are no records in the table. Let me go to the insert record. As you can see, I have already created 4 insert statements. I have not included ID, rather only I have given name, age, and address and salary. So I wanted to create 5 records: A, B, C, D, E, the names, and then age, then different locations, address, then their salary. If I insert them one by one, first let me insert one record. As you can see, one record got affected. So let me try to run the select query again. As you see, the ID with the ID number 1 got created for the first record. I have not given here explicitly, but it automatically got created. So now let me try to create the other 4 records. I will run them. As you can see, all the records got inserted. Now let me run the select query again. As you can see, the IDs got in automatically created with the incremented value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a simple demonstration of how we can use the auto increment in MySQL. You can also do it from application Java like Spring Boot, etc. From database also you can configure it. Hope you like the video. Please stay tuned for the upcoming sessions and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.